Want to learn how to remove the green screen in Canva for both videos and images? You're in the right place. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up, this method works only with the Pro version, not the free tier. Alright, let's get started. First, upload your image or video, or grab one from Canva's stock library. I'll be using my subscribe button video and my channel's avatar image. Let's add the subscribe button video. Adjust it to fit. Select the video, then click on the BG remover option in the upper toolbar. It might take a few seconds, depending on the size and length of your video. And there you go, the green background is gone. Now, let's do the same for an image. I'll add my channel avatar image to the canvas. Adjust it if needed. Select the image, then click the BG remover just like you did for the video, or click Edit in the toolbar. This opens extra image editing tools on the left. Under Magic Studio, click BG remover again, and the green background disappears. Want to fine-tune it? You can manually add or remove parts of the image. Click BG remover. Now you have two brushes, erase and restore. I'll select the erase brush. You can adjust the brush size too. Let's increase it, then press and hold the left mouse button to erase the lower part of the avatar. Go back. And that's it. That's how you remove the green screen in Canva. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment I subscribed so I can personally thank you in the comments for your support. Thanks for watching and take care.